Ang commitment niyo sa isa't isa ang kukumpleto sa inyong buhay. Yung kalahati mo, Nico, kalahati ng puso mo na kay Joy, Joy, kalahati ng puso mo na kay Nico. Para kayo maging kumpleto, maging isa, kailangan kayo nagkakaisa. Yung factor ng Diyos ang pananampalataya sa inyong buhay. Tandaan ninyo, Diyos na nagkasal sa inyo, hindi ako. Ang Diyos na nagtali ng bind sa inyo, ang Diyos, hindi ako, hindi pangit. Ang Diyos, ang nagtali sa inyong dalawa, ang nagselyo sa inyong tayong dalawa, ay ang Diyos.
Kaya I'm really proud to say that when my sister dreams, she dreams big. And then she makes it and have them come true. Jamie is a goal-getter, caring, opinionated, emotional, and hard-headed. So, Nico, today, I am giving I'm giving away my sister to you. I hope you make her first then at everything. Priority, make her feel like you're a queen, make her your partner in crime. Promise, sobrang solid yan na kakambek. Care for her for every second chances na binibigay ng buhay sa inyo. And stay together until your last breath.
We'll leave it all behind. Won't stop till the finish line. We'll go together on this open road. Untether these wild hearts. Sleep underneath the stars. We'll go together on this open road. If we're only given one shot at this life, we gotta make it count while there's still time. We're on our way. We're on our way. We're just getting started. We'll stop.
Dito na tayo sa next factor ng relasyon natin. Sa totoo lang, hindi ko akalain na makakarating ako sa ganitong yugto ng buhay ko. Kaya masasabi ko talaga na God wrote our love story before we fell in love. Ako nagdasal sa Panginoon na ibigay niya sa akin ang taong nararapat talaga para sa akin at kaya akong mahalin buong buo. God heard and answered my prayer. In just few months, nakilala na kita agad. Kung ang dasal ko lang noon ay ibigay ang taong karapat-dapat sa akin, kung nakilala na kita, naging, Lord, ibigay mo na sa akin si Nico.
We're on our way. Adventure is calling. We're stopping us on our way.
Sabi nga ng pare kanina, mag-asawa, kabiyak ng puso. Si Joy Marie Bautista, kanina. Pero ngayon, San Pedro na, ingatan mo yung anak ko. Alam kong mabait ka. Matapang yan. May pinagmanahan.
Congratulations. Matagal na kayo, ano? Halos magsa 7 years na. Magpasensyahan kayo. Congratulations.
step of the way as long as you trust her. Take the humor out of any situation and you'll be fine because things will happen. Together, you can overcome it. Cling to your faith, love your family, and be best friend of each other.
Now that you have found each other, you are complete. But wait, you are also complete through your union with Christ. Siyempre, you have to put Christ in the center of your life. Para complete. Para everything will be smooth.
Sa inyo, sana yung married life nyo, yon punong-puno ng saya, syempre. At tsaka magpasensyahan kasi syempre ibang road na itong tatahakin nyo eh. Di ba? Hindi na yung parang boyfriend-girlfriend. This is between the two of you guys. Nico, okay. So iba na to, ibang level na to. So, you know, responsible, ganyan. Alam ko naman, responsible ka naman sa family natin. Syempre, ngayon, sa bubuin yung family ni Joy, dapat mas maging responsable ka.
Take me back into the past, and I will reminisce with you and laugh.
This joyous day, as you both embark on the incredible journey of marriage, my heart, our heart, is filled with warmth and happiness for you, both of you. May your union be blessed with a lifetime of shared dreams. Nico, Joy, your love both strengthen your future.
I hope you both share many more years of love and loyalty. Go through series of liking, loving, and loathing, but always choose loving. Both of you are such good people, deserving of each other's love, and an inspiration to all of us. I have an incredible sister already. And I've been doubly blessed today, this evening, by gaining a brother.
Sabi nga ng tatay mo, mas matapang ka pa kesa sa akin. Patuloy mo lang mahalin ang anak namin at lalo ka namin mamahalin.
Alam kung ano ang ireregalo ko sa'yo. Ako din. Kaya ito na lang muna napansin ko kasi na wala pang lalagyan ng cards. Saka need mo ito at pati yung mga cards ko ay baka nasa iyo na rin. O siya, sige na. I love you so much. Oh.
Find all our dreams woven up in the stars. Let's sail away and chase the horizon. We'll lose track of days and won't try to find them. 'Cause I could get lost and know that I'm found with you. We'll watch the sun bow to the stars and we'll know that we're home wherever we are. 'Cause here by your side, there's nothing that we can't do.
Pili ka daw ng mapapangasawa, ipiliin mo yung taong kasama mo makikipaglaban sa giyera. At doon ko napagtanto na hindi ako nagkamali sa pagpipili. Nagpapasalamat ako kay Lord at ibinigay ka niya sa akin at tinulungan niya ako para sa iyo.
Oh, 'cause I know that this is where it begins. Oh, we'll never reach the end. 'Cause I know it doesn't get better than this.
ang nagdaan, pero ito pa din tayo, mas tumibay at mas pinili ang isa't isa. At alam ko naman na marami pa ang ibabato sa ating challenges, pero alam kong malalagpasan natin yung dalawa. Maraming salamat at hindi ka sumumpo at nanatili ka kahit na napakamundi ko. Hindi man ako kamukha ni Liza Soberano, kasi yung katawan ni Ivana Alawi, pero pinapangako ko na mamahalin kita ng buong buhay ko at puso ko. I love you.
More than the eye could see, I feel I'm so close to me. I feel you so close to me. I feel you so close. Time stands still. Time stands still. Time stands still when we're together. Oh, it just keeps getting better. I could stay right here forever. Time stands.
Kasi para sa akin, ikaw na ang pinaka sa lahat. Meaning, pinaka-movie. Pero higit sa siyempre, pinakamahal ko. Kaya hindi mo kailangang magselo sa iba. Kasi wala namang iba. Lagi mo tatandaan, mahal na mahal kita.